Hi everyone, so in the following video we'll talk about some of the slider settings we have within the crowd template. So essentially, first of all, when creating a new slider, the process is very similar to some of the other templates. Click on Add New, you add your slider title. Next off, click on Add Slideshow Images, and just select the images you want to add, or click on Upload Files to select a file from your computer. Once it's been uploaded, simply click on Add to Gallery, and it will be added to the slideshow gallery. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and just click on Publish, and the slider will be activated, or it will be live to use. Okay, so here we have Add to Gallery, then you select your transition effect, then go ahead and click on Publish. So this process is fairly easy and simple. Next off, the additional settings that we've added are right here below whenever you select your slideshow or your slider. And essentially these are some of the options we have to play around with. So currently on the home page, this home page here, you'll see that these are our settings. We have full screen images, and then we have our menu above the image just right over here and at the bottom of the page. So if you want to play around with these settings, first of all, you can select a different type of slider, and we'll go ahead and click on Update Settings. We'll refresh our home page, and you'll see that we have now a different type of image slider. Next off, we have this additional option, and here we can do some customizations of how we want to lay out the navigation menu. So once again, we'll just click on Update. We'll refresh this page, and as you see, our page looks different as well with the new navigation menu. We still have the logo in the middle of our slide, then we have this footer here. Next off, the other settings we have is just a simple image slider, just as we normally would. So let me just go ahead and once again we'll click on Update. We'll refresh this page. Okay, so here we have these images, and our final setting is the full screen slider as we initially had. So we'll click on Update Settings. Once again, refresh this page, and we're back pretty much to our initial settings that we had. Another option that we have here is the positioning of our logo. So we can center either in the center, middle center of our slideshow. We can have it in the middle left or right corners of our slider, top left, top right, top middle corner, etc., etc. So you can play around with these settings. So let's just say if we want to have it within our top center area, we'll just click on Update, and we'll refresh this page, and you'll see that our logo changed its positioning over here to the top of the page, though it's still in the center. Next off, we also have some other options, for example, like having it on the right side of the menu. So we can click here, we'll update this setting, click refresh this page, and you'll see that it's on the right hand side of our menu at the bottom of the image slider. So these are just some settings that you can play around with. Once again, you can have it on the right side of the menu, though you can change this navigation menu, and the layout will change just as well, just like that. So yeah, these are some of the new options we added to our slider area. But we do hope this video helps, and we do recommend that you play around with these settings depending on the type of logo you have, and depending on your taste or image layout that you have. You can play around with these settings accordingly. So we hope this helps.